Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install a patch, PHP and required extension by running the next command. Next, enable the Apache modules with the following commands. Navigate to the next directory where you can download and install Bludit. You can find the latest version in the description of this video. After the downloading, extract the downloaded zip file by running the next command. Ensure Apache has the necessary permission to access and modify the Bludit files. Create a new Apache configuration file for Bludit by running the following command. Add the following configuration. Remember, you need to change the server name with your domain or IP address. Enable the new site and reload the page. To avoid any possible issue with the PHP settings, edit the PHP configuration file. Find and modify the following lines. After that, complete the installation. Open your web browser and go to your server IP address or domain name. You will be presented with a Bludit installation screen, following the on-screen instruction to complete the setup, including creating an admin account. That's it, now you can work with Bludit CMS. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.